Let's talk about the location of the photosynthetic pigments. In oxygenic photosynthetic organism, the photosynthetic pigments are found in the thylakoid membrane. Okay, in the membrane of thylakoid, there are photosynthetic pigments. In eukaryotic photosynthetic organisms, the thylakoids are present inside the chloroplast. Okay, within chloroplast you have your thylakoids in case of eukaryotic photosynthetic organisms. In cyanobacteria, except this Globacter violaceus, the internal system of the thylakoid membrane exists in the cytosol. Okay, so in the cytosol you have your internal system of thylakoid membrane, and in this internal system of the thylakoid membrane, the light reactions of photosynthesis as well as respiration occurs. Okay, and this internal system of thylakoid membrane which is present in the cytosol is not present in this Globacter violaceus. Okay, this is the exception. Okay, except this, all cyanobacteria have this internal system of thylakoid membrane within the cytosol. Okay, so we can make this generalization that in cyanobacteria the thylakoids are present in the cytosol, and in other eukaryotic photosynthetic organisms such as plants, the thylakoids are present in the chloroplast, okay, within the chloroplast. In cyanobacteria, the thylakoid membranes are found as pair of bilayers which enclose the thylakoid lumen space. So thylakoid lumen space is just enclosed in the bilayers. Okay, thylakoid lumen space is included within the pair of bilayers, and that is how the thylakoid membrane exists in the cyanobacteria. In oxygenic photosynthetic organisms such as green sulfur bacteria, okay, where does the photosynthetic pigments occur? In oxygenic photosynthetic organisms, the photosynthetic pigments occur in the plasma membrane, and these photosynthetic pigments occur in the chlorosomes. Okay, chlorosomes are the vesicles which are attached to the plasma membrane. Okay, in these two places the photosynthetic pigments occur. So in your anoxygenic photosynthetic organisms, which are mostly prokaryotes, the photosynthetic pigments occur in the plasma membrane and in chlorosomes. So in purple sulfur bacteria, the bacteriochlorophylls occurs in the invaginations of plasma membrane, and these invaginations of plasma membrane are known as chromatophores. Okay, there are some invaginations of plasma membrane in the purple sulfur bacteria. These invaginations of plasma membrane are known as chromatophores, and chromatophores contain your bacteriochlorophylls which are responsible for photosynthesis process to occur. So in case of green sulfur bacteria, the photosynthetic pigments are found in chlorosomes, and in case of purple sulfur bacteria, the photosynthetic pigments are found in chromatophores. These chlorosomes are the vesicles which are attached to the plasma membrane, and chromatophores are the invaginations of the plasma membrane. So let's see the location of photosynthetic pigments in oxygenic photosynthetic organisms. Okay, and in oxygenic photosynthetic organisms, you have eukaryotes as well as prokaryotes. So in eukaryotic photosynthetic organisms, the pigments are present in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast, and in prokaryotic photosynthetic organisms, the pigments are present in thylakoid membranes, and in case of cyanobacteria, we saw that the thylakoid membranes are found in the cytosol. Now let's see the location of photosynthetic pigments in anoxygenic photosynthetic organisms. Okay, the examples of anoxygenic photosynthetic organisms are green photosynthetic bacteria and purple photosynthetic bacteria. These bacteria do photosynthesis, but they do not release oxygen. Now, in green photosynthetic bacteria, the pigments are in the plasma membrane and in chlorosome. And in case of purple photosynthetic bacteria, the pigments are in the chromatophore of the plasma membrane. So that's all for this video. Thank you.